What's going on, guys? So this is part 2 for how to flip a car. So I've got a few messages of people asking what happened to that car. No, I didn't forget about it. No, I didn't sell it yet because I had to do some work on it. So part 2, I'm going to show you guys that the car had a broken grill. That was initially why I got it for such a cheap price. It took me a little while to find a replacement grill, which I did end up finding. I actually found one for dirt cheap. I ended up paying, I think, 20 bucks for it. So I had to spray the grill, I had to take out the old grill, put in the new one. So pretty much this video is me actually replacing the old part, putting in a new one. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Obviously you don't want animals around when you're spraying this, so I'm gonna lock her up. You can't be here, baby, this isn't a bed. So it looks really good actually. It's one step closer to selling this car for profit. I'm gonna do the second coat. It's looking really nice. I don't even think it's gonna need a third coat.
Now I'm gonna try to go at it at different angles. I went at it at this angle, now I'm gonna go at it at these two angles, just to make sure you get every single little nook and cranny.
I shouldn't be wearing my J's, but here I am. Second coat finito. And she's looking good. I'll do one. Almost dropped my iPhone X. After I do the final coat, I'll be installing her on the car. Ford grill. And the after. Might as well catch it on tape. I'm gonna take the front grill off just now. Let's see if I can get this whole thing recorded. So take all these.
Ticket on that car?
Yeah, I had a few.
The cops were around looking at it yesterday.
Yeah, no, it's because I parked on that person's close to their driveway. I didn't even notice it, so they actually called me yesterday. So I'm trying to get the car fixed. I was trying to sell it, and it's just been taking me so long to fix the car.
I understand, so. I really do, but I was saying, yeah, what is being bad? Why would he give him a ticket on the street?
I know, right? But it's okay. Hopefully it'll be out of people's way soon. Boom. There's the old fucking shitty grill. Garbage. Let's hope the new grill fits. She looks like she's gonna fit. Oh yeah. And she's gonna look good. Man, she's gonna look good. Not only is she gonna fit, she's gonna look good. Oh yeah, baby. Don't ever see? Investing hustler doesn't get his hands dirty. I'm a hard-working man. So boom shakalaka. That's what the new grill is gonna look like. We'll see how she looks when she's on. Boom shakalaka. Hopefully she fits just as easy as she came off. Oh, this is gonna be a pain. Let's start off in the middle. So boom shakalaka, new grill is on. This is the before grill. So this guy sold pretty much this car for max cheap, pretty much because this grill was busted. I ended up buying this grill for 20 bucks. I sprayed it. Might need to respray it here. But boom shakalaka. So let's get her screwed up. Ford grill. And there she is with the front grill. And there's my hands. Don't ever say investing hustler. doesn't get his hands dirty. Make this flip, because I know I've been slacking on it. It's pretty clean from the inside. All leather interior, so I'm gonna post her up. 6-speed manual car. Sunroof. I mean, only time will tell. I should be able to make an easy profit off this. I'm gonna come back another day to do some more work. But for now, the grill was replaced, and now I can finally post her up for sale. Now that she looks decent. I don't know if you guys noticed, but almost everything I have is black. My phone is black, my car is black, my dog is black, my bike is black, my soul is black. So I'm just gonna give it a nice good little shake. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave me a like, and if you're not subscribed yet, then don't forget to hit that notification bell and smash that subscribe button. And that's it for now. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.